So Jack and I, we were just talking about how trees that glow. Oh my God, I'm losing it. That grows close together tends to be more smaller because it doesn't have enough root space. Whoa, that was a crow.
Yeah, that was really close. Wanted to be in the shot.
It probably does. But anyway, what were we saying, Jack?
Trees that grow really close together tend to be slightly smaller because they are competing resources for root space and soil and water. But in the home growing situation, it's okay because you do want the trees slightly smaller so you can fit more in the tight space.
Nowadays, you do not need like an acreage just to grow 5-6
No.
trees.
Yeah.
Jess here, she has a lot of trees that are literally like a foot apart.
Foot apart, yeah. We have a guava and a mango here that's a foot apart, and they both look happy and they're continuing to thrive. So it's doable.
Doable. Definitely doable.